Hey guys, today I have an unboxing. I just got my Rocket 2.0 and I'm going to unbox it. Alright, let's begin. Okay. Let's take it out of this thing. I'll put that paper bag back here. Let's move this out of the way right now. Alright, just put that somewhere else. Here's the Rocket 2.0. Turn anything into a speaker. It says right here, Rocket 2.0 portable vibration speaker by Orig Audio. You can get your own at origaudio.com. It has the steps: plug it, stick it, rock it. origaudio.com. Here, there's the link. origaudio.com. Alright, so let's open it. Get the tape off of here. Put that to the side somewhere. Alright, and then we can open it right here. Rocket 2.0. Okay guys, right here we got it. It's like the instruction on how to rock it. User manual. Alright. Set that back here. And then it comes with a cable to extend your 3.5mm jack, headphone jack. And it comes with this is, you can run on USB power or 2 AAA batteries, but no batteries included. And it comes with 2 extra sticky pads, and I'll show you what they're for right now. Let's take out the Rocket. Okay. This is the Rocket right here. It's very small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. Look, it just fits in the palm of your hand like that. I mean, it's really handy. Easily fits in your pocket and your little shirt on your polo shirts. Yeah, and this is where I'll show you the sticky part. You just take off this top, and this is the sticky little pad. You guys can see that? See this white right here? That's the sticky pad, and basically you just unwind it like that. You just do a clockwise motion, right? And then you got your thing, and then you got this headphone jack back here. If I can get it out. Yeah. So, and then what you would do if you want to extend it, you would plug this in right here like that. It just snaps in, and then you would extend it, like take that off, and it would be longer. But if not, you want close range, just like that, right there. And then if you also wanted to run on USB power, you would put this right here. See, it says DC in right here, like DC and then in. You would plug that in, and then you plug this into a laptop, computer, desktop, whatever. And this 3.5mm headphone jack is compatible with iPod, iPad, iPhone, laptop, computer, desktop. And then this little sticky pad right here will stick to almost anything. Basically what it does, the more hollow the object is, the better sound quality and louder it will be. And you could adjust the volume just from your device, of whatever you're getting your source from, your music. So then to wind it back up, you just kind of like twist this right here. You just twist it. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Just twist it like that. Alright, then you put the top back on, and then twist it to get tighter. Alright guys, and then you put your 3.5mm headphone jack back in right there. For some reason it's not like, okay, there we go. And then that's your rocket. I mean, it requires 2 AAA batteries, right? You just take this off like this, like kind of like it kind of like slides off just like a normal remote or whatever. For some reason I cannot get it off. Okay, there we go. I got it off. And then 2 AAA batteries go right there, right here, and then you could just slide this back on. Sorry guys, slide it back on. Okay,